Well, organizing a software company is very specialized type of management skills where experienced person can turn organization problem into the unique benefits. For example, having sub-teams spread in different time zones may allow 24-hour company working days if the team's systems and procedure are well established. A good example is the test team in time zone 8 hour ahead behind the development team who fix software bugs found by the tester. A professional software company normally consists of at least three dedicated sub teams. First one is business analyst who define the business needs of the market, and second one is software developers who create the technical specification and write the software, and third one software tester who are responsible for the whole process of quality management. Now we have a structure. All the team are fully independent and they work separately on different projects. The structure is quite simple and all the employees reports to the one person. What make the situation quite clear. However, it is good solution in terms of knowledge exchange and optimal usage of human resource. In this model, there are dedicated leaders, managers or leaders for each main specialization, pointing their people for particular project lead by product or project manager who formally or informally buy the people and pay for them their time. This leads to each private employees having two bosses, the product or project manager and the specialized resource manager. On one hand, it optimizes the usage of human resources. On the other hand, it may give rises to conflicts about which one manager has priority in the structure. There are also a number of variants of these structures, and the number of organizations having this structure spread and split within various department units. Like the life cycle, regardless of the methodology use of the product, life cycle always consists of at least three stages. First stage is design, and design including both the business and the technical specification. And second stage is coding. Coding is the development itself. And third one is testing, the quality management. At each stage, different group play a key roles. However, each type of role must be involved throughout the whole development process. Analysts, after completing the business specification, manage the changing business situation to minimize minimize the possibility of change over the time. They also support both programmer and tester during the whole development process to ensure that the final product fulfill their business needs specified at the start. The process ideally put businesses analysts as the key players during the final delivery of the solution to the customer, as they are the best place to provide the business layers. And the programmers do the technical specification during the design phase, which is why they are called programmer or designer. And during testing time, they fix bugs. Tester complete the test test scenarios during the design phase and evaluate them during the coding phase. Like system and procedure, well run software companies process various system and procedure implement and working internally across all these sub teams. These include business analyst or the like the modeling to is like Spark system enterprises architects or IBM rational rows and programmers version control system and software versioning procedure code analysis tools and coding standard validity manually and automatically and development mechanism. Tester, then come tester, bug tracking system or test automation tools or performance and test tools. And last one is product or project manager and the enterprise project manager management system and procedure or product portfolio management or change management system and procedure. There are also application of life cycle management, which embedded some of these functionally in one package and are used across the group. They are delivered from various vendors like Borderland, ECM, or Campior. Thank you.